Alright, let's go check out the great outdoors. Well, there's a little bit of a lull here. It's about 7 o'clock. The storm has definitely quieted down a bit from where I was at earlier. You can see on the street light there, snow's swirling around a bit, but it's not super, well, it's pretty windy. But visibility's pretty good. I wouldn't want to be driving though. I don't think we had a couple inches of accumulation. The wind's probably been drifting it around. One's cleaning off her car. Plows have come by a couple of times, at least 2 or 3 times. Oh look, there's a plow right now. There's baby Jesus, doing pretty good. But yeah, Somerville, Winter Hill, we're doing okay so far. About 7 o'clock. They say the worst is yet to come. I hope they're right. I'm itching for a good storm here. I don't know if you can see that in the video. The wind's making that snow blow around a bit. There's the steps. You can tell we're in Somerville. We got the American and the Italian flag here. Happy Boxing Day.